Morning, YouTubians. Well, our journey started out in Knoxville, Tennessee. We headed out to California, then up to Reno, Nevada, over to Jackson Hole, Wyoming with another delivery, and then finally from Salt Lake City all the way over to up to Boise, Idaho. We were heading back and without a delivery to take care of some other jobs in Knoxville, Tennessee, and we had a water pump go out. So we were waiting on a mobile mechanic to get us back on the road. Sometimes these things happen, you just have to roll with it, and then we'll be back on the road. So enjoy the pictures and the videos from this trip, and we hope to post more. See you on the road, see you at the next stop. Got the Santa Fe Express coming from New Mexico into Arizona. Come on, baby! Lake Tahoe in a squall, a little bit of a little gully washer. Woo! Ended up out here in Salt Lake City at the airport, UPS DHL terminal. We got a hot shot going straight from here up to Boise, Idaho. Let's go. Delivered out here to the big UPS site out here in Boise, Idaho. Some time-sensitive aircraft orders. we can use this for later.